Hi there, welcome to my channel. I am Mayur Zadav. Today I am going to talk about my new PC build. So basically this is the kind of build you can use for anything like gaming or video editing. So in this video I am going to tell you guys from where I bought this, for how much I bought this, and various things you should consider while buying this PC in cheapest market like Lamington Road. So let's get started. First, let me tell you guys the processor I bought, the Ryzen 3 3500 by AMD. It's a 64-bit 6-core with 6-thread processor. It prices around 10,750 online, and I bought it for like 10,350 in local market. There is also another version comes in this series, the 3600 with 6 cores and 12 threads, but for 6 extra threads than 3500. Does not seems to me worth that much, like 5,000 rupees extra, though it is very good processor for gaming. Moving on to motherboard guys, I bought the MSI 450M Pro VDH Max, which cost me around 6,400 in market, and it is 7,080 rupees in online. It supports all the AMD Ryzen generation with Radeon Vega graphics. It supports DDR4 memory up to 3466 MHz. Then we have our graphic card guys, which is MSI Armor Radeon RX 550 8GB graphic card, which cost me around 13,800 in market and has 15,420 rupees online price. This graphic card is really a monster guys. It's worth way much more than the 4GB GTX 1650, and it just blew me away with its performance. RAM I used here is 32GB, which includes 2 sticks of 16GB from Corsair Vengeance. Next we have our 240GB SSD and 1TB Seagate Barracuda HDD storage. And all of these components are well put together in Antec NX200 RGB cabinet, which cost me a bit higher than the online price, which is 3,000. Alright guys, I built this PC from Lamington Road, Mumbai, which is one of the best place to buy PC in India. But there are always risk of scams at such big market. Guys, explore various shops and compare all the prices along. You will notice way too much price difference at certain shops. For example, I built this PC for 55,000 where I was offered 46,000 at one shop for the same build. Guys, what they do is they first ask you for extra 2,000 rupees in advance for the registration fee, and then after the assembly they raises the price saying that they have included the GST. And remember guys, let them assemble your PC in front of you so that you could keep an eye on whether they are installing the appropriate component or not. Always cross check the serial number from the box to the serial number present on the surface of the product. So these were the few things to look at while building your PC. If you want to see the 4K performance of this build in Premiere Pro and After Effects, then do let me know in the comment section. And that's it for today's guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and do comment, like and share, and subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Thank you so much.